Yon world, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another financial related topic for y'all, man. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, man. Hey, I feel like y'all haven't been destroying my like button, man. Y'all gotta destroy it. Like, I need everybody to watch this just to hit the like button, like punch that motherfucker. Like, you know what I'm saying? Knock it out. I'm about to give y'all some out cold content. You know your boy Yon World all about personal development and financial related topics. Yon World going through a whole rebranding for 2020. We taking over, and I just want to share this information with y'all. I feel like anybody out there, whatever you doing, if you building a brand, if you building a name for yourself on the internet, you need your own website. I don't care if you on Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube. You can be on all these platforms, Twitch. I don't know what y'all on. You could be on all of these platforms. You need your own website, man. So what we about to go over today is how to add auto ads onto your website. Now, I'm going to go over a whole nother video showing y'all how to build a website, in Yon World fashion. But today, I'm showing you how to embed Google Ads onto your website, because it's not only that you need a website, you need to have a fully monetized website. Now, everything on the internet has to be monetized. I'm making this video really to educate y'all on the digital age, man. We are living in the digital age. If y'all don't realize, if your business not online on the computer in the next 10 years, it's likely to fail. All the customers are going to be online, and you likely to miss out on a handful of money. So you need a website. You need to brand yourself. And with that, you need to monetize that traffic. You need to monetize all your traffic. Anybody that look at your content online, it need to be monetized. We not on here for free. We is not on here for free 2020, y'all. So YouTube, Google, they own 1-in-1. They done dropped a new feature, auto ads. So you can add auto ads onto your website. Now we see September 17th. They started updating, Adsense with the auto ads. And this year I went ahead and built my first website. So let's go into my WIX background. Now, I built my first website, and you see what we doing, man. Yeah, your boy going up there, man. 100% growth, man. We going crazy. But we gonna hop into Google AdSense right here. And I just want to show y'all how to embed auto ads onto your Google website. Now, first, what you got to do is go into sites. Now, once you create a Google AdSense account, I hope everybody has created a Google AdSense account. If you haven't created, get started, go ahead. Now, as you see right here, it's saying my AdSense account is only enabled to show ads on YouTube, and that's true right now. My website is new, and I submitted this about a week ago. And then I look around and did this. It said don't remove it, and I removed it and re-added it, trying to create this video. So we about to get into it and show you I know how to do it now, so I ain't gotta remove my website. So I'm about to show y'all how to get the code. Now, first you gotta go to add site. Now, when you go to add site, you type in your website without the www or no HTTPS, nothing that. You got to just type in the website straight up. YonWorld.org. Make sure y'all go visit that ASAP, man. Now, once you get that, you're gonna get this code. Now, this is your unique code, man. This is Google, man. This is your money, man. So you got to know how to operate with this, man. Now, when you copy and paste the HTML to your site, you got to put it in between the header tags. Now, I know a lot of y'all don't know how to do this. Like, how do you do this? How do I do this? Now, if you got a WordPress site, you got a whole little, documentary right here for you. You can go click on it, and it'll walk you step by step through. Now, what we doing is for a Wix site. So, all you got to do is copy that. Real simple, real easy. That's why I like Wix. Shout out to Wix. I know they're going to be running ads on this video, so shout out to Wix and them boys and them. But after you go to settings from your dashboard, see, we clicked on the dashboard. Let me go back because I know I'm talking crazy on it. We go to dashboard, right? My computer moving fast. It's 8 in the morning. Ain't nobody on the bandwidth. But yeah. We go from dashboard, settings. Then we go down to tracking and analytics. Analytics. That's how you pronounce that. And then you want to add a new tool. Now you see you have Google Analytics set up. You got to do that immediately. Like when you create a website, you set up Google Analytics immediately. Before you even post, before you even go live, code that in immediately. If you don't have Google Analytics, get it. It'll show through your Google Adsense account. So get that immediately. You know what I'm saying? Add a new tool. Once you add a new tool, you go to the custom. Now, we click on custom right here. Then you gotta just go back to Google AdSense, take this, copy, then you paste, then you in the game. And then you say where to place the, see, that's why Wix is so simple. Where, see, people would, they'd be like, where the header, you know what I'm saying? Is it between this code? Like with Wix, with WordPress, I just know because I build websites on WordPress, you gotta know basic code. And if you don't know basic code, you know what I'm saying? Like MySpace shit, you know what I'm saying? Like you gotta know basic code. Then you might put it in there wrong or, you know what I'm saying? So Wix is just simple. Put it in this little box. We gonna do it for you. You don't need to see all them numbers and dashes and lines and spaces and all that. No. So once you do that, you apply it, and then this will appear. You will see a custom that's applied to all pages. Now, let's go back into AdSense. Let's go back. Let me show y'all something. Now, all right. So after you set up your site, it's gonna say, remember to go to ads and choose the ad formats you want. And remember, we want auto ads. We want that new feature. You know what I'm saying? We want that new. Google. Shout out to Google. Shout out to YouTube, man. They out here getting people paid, man. Now, get ready to show your ads. Now, what was I about to do? Set up ads, right? So this is what I want to show y'all. Look at this, man. Look at this. Now they about to give me a preview on how it's gonna look. Now, my website is for desktop and mobile, but I know 90% of my traffic gonna come from mobile. So I made it real simple, real clean for the mobile. And we're gonna see how Google prepared the auto ads, because what auto ads are is basically Google using the artificial intelligence and they getting the AI robots to look at your website and be like, this is where, a person would click normally based on all of this research we gathered from y'all over the past 25 years. You know what I'm saying? Now, this is my website. My website is premium. I don't really like that at the top. It make it look like my website ain't paid for. But I can remove that. That's just to encourage people to sign up on the app. But when you stroll down, you see it right there. Y'all see it? Auto ad. See, this is the best spot to have an ad on your website. This is the best on a mobile website. Auto ad for anchor auto ad. You know what I'm saying? Anchor ad in period, like in general. You know what I'm saying? Is good for your website, man. And y'all want this because naturally, like just think about how you stroll. Like your thumb is right there. Your thumb is right by that ad. So naturally they gonna click on it. It's gonna be organic clicks. It ain't gonna be no force. It's just gonna be organic. Like, oh shit, I clicked on this shit. But what that does for you is it gives you revenue. You know what I'm saying? You getting clicks on your ads, so you get revenue. This is how websites make millions of dollars a month. Like it's literally websites making $1 million just off AdSense, not off nothing else, just off of clicks. And just to give y'all some basic math, like clicks can range. Clicks can range. But on websites, it depends on your niche. Clicks can range from 50 cents to $16 per click. But like just say at the bare minimum, like you was getting 50 cents per click, you will only need 2,000 clicks to make $1,000. And who can't get 2,000 clicks? Like who? You can grind, you can post, you can join forums, and you know what I'm saying? You could put yourself out there to get those clicks, to get that AdSense revenue. So I'm just letting y'all know this game, man. Like if you starting a brand, whatever you doing, I don't care if you, whatever you got, you need a website, man. You need a website, and you need to run auto ads on it, because it's just automatic. Like before auto ads, this is how it worked. Like you had to place every single ad. Like if you wanted to add on the side, if you wanted to add in the middle of the text, if you wanted to add at the bottom, if you want to add at the top, you have to place that like that. But what Google is doing is using robots, it's using AI technology. So you want to use this shit for your benefit, man. Don't be on here giving up all your time and energy and being a consumer. Like we gotta produce, we gotta create, you gotta have your, shit set up. So when the wave come, it's all monetized. You getting all pros. You know what I'm saying? So it don't feel like it's a waste. You see your boy Young World, all green. We all green in the back end on YouTube, man. We all green for 2020. So it's your boy Young World. Make sure you leave a like. Make sure you comment. Make sure y'all destroy the like button. I'm talking about blow that mug up. Like punch it, uppercut it, throw it to the side. Just hit it. Like just hit it. Just make sure you hit it. Like whatever you gotta do. Like if you gotta throw something at it, like if you gotta, you know what I'm saying, duck down a little bit, just hit the target, man. The like button. It's your boy Young World. I'm out. Peace.